Hey guys, this is TK. In our previous video we saw configuring cluster, setting up a cluster between these two ASAs. Let's take a quick look at that configuration. And here are the configs that made this existing cluster. So on this video we are going to quickly set up a context, admin context, and assign interfaces to the spanned port channel, and check some connectivity to VSS. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's first set up these interfaces. We are going to remember from the previous video we have port channel 1, which is a span cluster. So we are going to assign VLAN 7 and VLAN 8 into that port channel. Port channel 1.8, VLAN 8, and we are going to configure the first context, admin context, and let's quickly assign interface to that admin context. And port channel 1.7, which is VLAN 7, we are going to assign as interface name inside. And 1.8, VLAN 8 will be outside. Let's take a look at that context configuration. Alright, let's make sure that configuration is successfully replicated to the slave unit. Let's verify that. Which they are. Let's change ourselves to the admin context. And this is the only time you need on this span cluster that you need to allocate a management interface, which I'm sorry I don't have that showing up on the diagram, that the management interface need to have a unique IP on each cluster member. So we are going to create a IP pool that assign IP addresses to the rest of the slave units, but for the other interfaces it's going to be same IP which will be spanned among other the cluster members. So for the management interface, let's create a quick IP pool. So this ASA is going to be 192.168.1.1. So let's assign from 1.2 to the rest of the cluster members. And then cluster pool, let's manage this, let's bind this management pool into that interface. So if you go to the ASA2 and if you do show run, if you change the context, you see that it has the same configuration replicated. However, the address is 1.3 from this pool, where this one is 1.2. And let's go ahead and configure the inside and outside interfaces. So you see the interfaces, management 00, inside and outside. Let's take a look at on our slave unit. The only thing that's different is the management IP, and rest of the IPs are the same. Alright, let's verify connectivity to SVI VLAN 7 on VSS through inside interface. And let's check connectivity to VLAN 8 through outside interface. Alright, so this is pretty much what we want to configure on this setup, and thank you.